Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to log in Snapchat. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to Snapchat application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Snapchat, okay, you can see the login button. Okay, click this. You can enter the username or email and the password. Okay guys, after you enter the username and password, okay, you all have to do is click the login button below. And okay guys, we have successfully logged into Snapchat. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.